needs real tea.
I love a little milk and sugar in mine, so pour me a cup, but then shake it up.
You sound like Bella Thorne.
Who's Bella Thorne?
You don't know who Bella Thorne is? Come on. It's okay. Why should she know? She was born last century.
Whoa, not cool.
Hey, Alice, have you seen the Easter Bunny lately?
I did. He asked me to follow him on Instagram, but I don't follow rabbits anymore. Last time I followed a rabbit somewhere, well, we all know what happened.
Well, maybe the White Rabbit knows where he went.
Maybe he does, but he never says a word. This one is very quiet.
Uh-oh, I think it's gonna rain.
We better run for cover. Come on, kids.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in Wonderland.
Bye, Alice!
Wait, you have 13 seconds. Gemma, I've been developing a meteorological algorithm which tracks the exact moment rain will land in any given spot.
That's very impressive, Marshall, but are you coming?
I want to see if my calculations are accurate.
Great, I want to stay dry.
Wait, it should be right over here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, I was right. Down south. Yeah. Rain in my socks.
Marshall?
Hey, Jack.
Hey! Umbrella?
It's too late.
Little why I never hurt anybody. I'm singing in the rain and dancing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. That stormy cloud chase everyone from the place. Hey, come on with the rain. There's a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, come on, Marcy, and dancing in the rain. Singing
And dancing in the